Hello everyone. Today we address something very important that concerns almost all of us, which is finding peace with other people. In a world filled with chaos and conflict, finding peace in our interactions with others is essential for our well-being. Hence, to find tranquility with those surrounding you, you can follow these simple actions. First, you need to understand before being understood. Empathy and listening are powerful tools in finding common ground with others. Second, maintain respectful communication, as this is key to resolving conflicts and building harmonious relationships. Choose your words carefully. Third, put yourself in others' shoes to cultivate empathy. Recognize that everyone has their own struggles and perspectives. Moreover, you need to know that forgiveness doesn't excuse the behavior, but it frees you from resentment. Let go of grudges to find inner peace. Also, setting healthy boundaries is crucial for maintaining peace in relationships. Respect yourself and others by clearly defining boundaries. What helps also in finding peace with others is to take time to reflect on your own actions and attitudes. Self-awareness is the first step towards personal growth and improved relationships. You can also stick to the following practical tips. Begin with practicing active listening to show others you care. Second, you should start using I statements to express feelings without blame. You can also take breaks during conflicts to cool off and gain perspective. Finally, embrace mindfulness and relaxation techniques to stay grounded in challenging moments. Always remember, as you navigate your interactions with others, know that peace begins with you. Practice empathy, forgiveness, and clear communication to foster harmony in your relationships. If you learned something new through this video and it was beneficial to you, please help us by liking the video and subscribing to our channel to receive new thoughts frequently.